The ERP Cloud Toolbox Projects module makes tracking financial project progress so easy. Just download your financial project progress draft and make your changes. You might change the overall completion at project header level or for the individual tasks. So we'll put those in, you might type them in. But Excel copy and paste features speed up the task if you can build your process around that. Some are already at 100%, so we'll skip those. Put in the update instructions. If we wanted to update every task, we could use the defaults row to save this step. And then upload the new values. Absolutely simple and very quick. And we can download the project to review the new values. We can also see the last published values there for a comparison. But there's our new values as we just entered them. And there's a whole host of other great features in the Projects module. And you can find out more by going to our website or reaching out to a More4apps sales rep.